Alright, so this is going to be a real fun and quick video, guys. Just prepare to be blown away by the Transformers TF-T01 TWS Earpods. So first of all I just want to let you guys know is what I expected when I was seeing this product online and what I felt once after I received it. So anybody would like as soon as they see something like this just because of its design. So before I even purchased this product, I thought that this will also be like something like any other TWS earphones out there. But the truth is, even about the papers, I'm gonna be real honest with you guys what I really felt using this thing. If you take its charging case, let it be its design or its weight. The whole covering of this charging case is made out of a thick plastic which makes it more heavier. The system they have used to insert these earphones are really good and I really love doing this. Alright, sorry. And so far if you are enjoying this video, then subscribing to my channel would be transforming. Alright, jokes apart. So this earphones also comes with Bluetooth version 5.3 and nearly for 5 hours of music time, and each earphones contains 33 mAh of battery power, and the charging case alone has 300 mAh battery power. These are all basics that any TWS earphones could have, right? But what's the best thing about getting a TWS earphone? To watch a movie, to listen for some music, or to catch up with somebody on a call, right? So does this Transformer thing really fulfills these basic needs well? Comparing to its price, I would say it doesn't, because it costs nearly $20, and if you have watched one of my previous videos which I was talking about Lenovo's TWS earphone, which was very cheaper than this product and was sound very greater than this product too. With its full sound on, you can hear each and every detail of the music very clearly. But this Transformer thing really failed in doing that. Instead of, they have worked more in how it needs to look like. We can't just believe what they have mentioned in their specs. For example, they have mentioned it's supported with low latency, but it still has some lags when you are playing games. Maybe are they asking like, does it have low latency with us? Who knows? So that's it, guys. I want to talk about this Transformer. So what you felt about this product and the review I made on this video. So please do let me know in the comments, and if you find this video useful or if you like it, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you all for watching till the end, and I see you guys in the next one.